my name is Harvey and I'm a supervising teacher. Today we're going to focus on blending sounds to create words. Well, first off, what is blending? And why is blending important for reading and writing? Well, simply put, blending is the process of combining sounds to make words. Blending is super important because being able to mentally join speech sounds together to make words helps students to decode unfamiliar words using letter sounds patterns when reading. Now, creating small playful tasks will help your child engage in activities for longer and playful learning, making the learning fun, and it develops the language skills needed for reading fluency later on. One activity is when we blend oral sounds together to create words. You can begin with an oral activity such as b-a-g, bug. After saying the sound for each letter, I can blend or squish the sounds together to make the word bug. You can do this many times throughout the day. You say the sounds of the word, then have your child listen to the sounds, blend them together in his or her head, determine the word, say the word out loud. For example, b-a-g.
B-a-g. Bug.
I like scholars to also use something called a whisper phone. This can be made out of PVC pipe or any other piping material. So what they do is they put the whisper phone up to their ear and they say the word sound by sound into the whisper phone. This lets them hear what they're saying. It also blocks out any other distractions that can be happening. B-a-g, bug. Once your child can orally blend the words, you can use letters to model blending followed by guided support. As you sit with your child, model the correct blending of a word. Start by saying the sounds slowly and continue to guide them by saying the sounds faster and faster until they are able to recognize the words. I like to use my finger to point to each letter as I say the sound. Then I make a slide movement under the whole word from beginning to end as I blend the sounds together to say the word. S, I, t, sit. L, a, t, lot. Notice I use the blending swoosh underneath as I blend my whole word together. Children love to move, explore, and create. I know my children do. There are a few people out there with the concentration to sit for very long. Sometimes a pencil and paper are just not so inviting for little people. Here are a few examples of moving and creating while learning to blend sounds. I like word building. We use this popcorn visual in my house. We build CVC words, or consonant, vowel, consonant words, to go with pictures on our popcorn container. A movable alphabet is a great multisensory resource, and you can use that with this as well. So what we would do is we would say our word, net. Then as we pick our letters, we're going to sound it out. N, e, t, net. Here's another example. Log. L, a, g, log. Another fun way to get your child involved in blending is to get moving. You can have your child hop from sound to sound, then your child can walk the word once they are ready to blend it. Say it as they walk through the word. Another fun activity to get your child to blend words is word chains. Now you can use a movable alphabet to make CVC words and change one sound at a time to make a chain of different words. For example, b-a-g, bug. We can change bug, just one letter, to b-a-d, bud, and so on. B-a-d, bad. Ad, mad. Man. We like to use the multisensory approach in my house. Play-Doh is always marvelous fun for making symbols and words, and it's also a great workout for those fine motor skill muscles too. You can use Play-Doh to blend words. You can create words with stamps such as this. D. Or you can have your scholars roll the Play-Doh and create the letters themselves. There are so many different things that you can do to incorporate blending into your daily routine. Use your imagination and let's make some lasting memories. Enjoy!